So one of our customer having more than 10,000 crore rupees of annual profits invited one of our solution architect to come and see their GPU environment. And this team member went there and asked them what exactly you are doing. And they said like, we are trying to run 300 billion parameters and this is the workflow that we are trying to do in this laboratory environment. But the problem is that when we take this workflow in the production environment to implement for our business case, it doesn't work, it fails over there. And we found out that because what they were doing, they were not using right MLOps, AIOps platform for their infra. And that is where something that they could have done in just 20% of the GPUs, they were using 5 times more GPUs to do exactly the same thing and still not getting results. That is where Enlight AlOps developed by ESDS comes into picture, and that is what the problem which Enlight AlOps solves for our large enterprise customers. What will work in your laboratory environment will also work in your business environment is what Enlight AlOps guarantees. Today, AI teams are context switching between multiple tools just to complete one ML workflow. The GPUs, some of the most expensive infrastructure your company owns, are sitting underutilized. Your compliance and audit teams have no visibility into what your AI systems are actually doing. And your data, it is leaving India's borders every time it touches a foreign hyperscalers platform. This is not a technology problem, this is an operational maturity problem. Enlight AlOps is India's first sovereign unified AI operations control plane built from ground up for enterprise scale. One platform end-to-end made in India. From the moment your data scientist opens a notebook to the moment a model gives live in production, every step is connected, governed and visible. Real-time GPU intelligence, so your most expensive assets are always working at peak efficiency. An embedded AI recommendation engine that continuously optimizes your training pipelines, flags anomalies, and tells you what to fix before something breaks. Full compliance built in DPDPA, ISO 2701, RBI guidelines, not as an afterthought, as the foundation. And every single inference, every single model runs on ESDS sovereign infrastructure inside India, under Indian laws, on Tier 3 certified Indian data centers. Organizations deploying Enlight AlOps are seeing up to 80% faster deployment cycles, 2 times improvement in effective GPU utilization, and up to 60% reduction in operational overhead. That is not a benchmark. That is what happens when you replace fragmented chaos with a unified, intelligent operations platform. AI has entered its infrastructure era. The enterprises that will lead the next decade are not the ones with the best AI models. They are the ones with the best AI operations. So like the Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei mentioned in one of his interview, that the number of GPUs cannot decide how good is your AI going to be. It's going to be decided by how well you operationalize those GPUs, how much better performance you get out of the limited number of GPUs. And that is where a quality AI ops platform like ESDS Enlight AlOps delivers exactly what your organization needs. Visit esds.co.in to operationalize your AI ops environment immediately. This is a made in India product, fully developed by Indian people, a sovereign cluster, sovereign product for your sovereign needs.